before an earthquake.
Go.
Make sure you have a fire extinguisher first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a light, a flashlight, and extra batteries and atom.
Go.
Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace.
Stay calm. If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outside, stay outside. Don't use elevator. They probably get stuck away.
Don't use matches, candles, or any flame. Broken gas line and fire don't mix.
Go.
If you're in a car, stop the car and stay inside the car until the earthquake stops.
Stay away from damaged areas.
Go.
If you're at school or work, follow the emergency plan or the instructions of the person in charge, except aftershocks.
Go.
Check yourself and other for injuries.
Go.
Provide first aid for anyone who needs it.
Go.
Turn on the radio. Don't use the phone unless this is emergency.
Damaged area.